Is this the travel kit you need in 2026? Travel gear reviews are everywhere, but today we're taking a close look at something a bit different. The Ekster Travelpack Vacuum Kit. With minimalist design, smart packing claims, and an eye-catching price tag. This set promises to make packing easier, more efficient, and more organized. But with so many travel accessories on the market, the real question is this kit genuinely worth it, or is it just stylish marketing? Let's find out. The Ekster Travelpack Vacuum Kit is advertised as a set of vacuum-style packing accessories that help you compress clothes and travel items to save space. The idea is simple. Reduce the bulk of your clothing and gear, fit more into your suitcase, and travel lighter without losing essentials. At first glance, the design looks premium. The materials feel sturdy. The zippers, seals, and vacuum valves appear well constructed. This is important because with vacuum packing, the quality of the seal determines how much air you remove and how well the pack maintains its compressed size. Many users appreciate the visual appeal and tactile feel of the kit. Unlike generic travel bags that can feel flimsy or cheap, the Ekster kit has a certain build quality that gives confidence right out of the box. It's also available in a few different sizes, which means you can use it for shirts, pants, jackets, and even bulkier items like sweaters or coats. So where this kit shines is in everyday travel convenience. If you're going on a weekend trip or even a week-long vacation, being able to compress your essentials can make room for souvenirs, gadgets, or even extra outfits. For travelers who like to stay organized and maximize luggage capacity, this is a clear advantage. However, no product is perfect, and the Ekster Travelpack Vacuum Kit does have some limitations. First, while the vacuum seals work well initially, some users report that over time, especially with extended travel or repeated opening and closing, the seals can loosen slightly. This doesn't mean they fail catastrophically, but it does mean that the compressed size may not stay as tight as some users expect. For trips where you need absolute compression, this could be a downside. Another point worth noting is usability. If you're used to traditional packing cubes or compression bags that use manual rollers or zippers, the vacuum system can feel a bit awkward at first. There's a learning curve to getting the most efficient compression, and if you're in a rush at the airport or hotel, mastering that technique takes a few tries. Now let's talk about value. The Ekster kit is priced above many basic packing cubes or compression bags available online. That premium pricing is justified to some degree by build quality and materials. But for budget travelers or those who only take short trips, it may feel unnecessarily expensive, especially if you don't need heavy compression. Durability is another factor to consider. For frequent travelers who pack and unpack every week, wear and tear can show up faster than expected. The seams and zippers hold up well, but the vacuum valves, the core technology, might wear out sooner than the rest of the material. If the vacuum function degrades, the entire usefulness of the kit drops significantly. Another question worth asking in 2026 is, how does this compare to alternatives? There are packing solutions that integrate smart tracking, wearable tech power banks, and organizational systems that sync with your travel apps. Compared to those high-tech options, the Ekster Travelpack Vacuum Kit feels more traditional. It's still essentially a set of bags with a vacuum function. If your goal is tech-enhanced travel, this may feel like a step behind smarter luggage systems. So, is the Ekster Travelpack Vacuum Kit the travel kit you need in 2026? The honest answer is this. It depends on your travel style. If you travel frequently and value space efficiency, organized packing, and quality build materials, this kit can be a useful addition to your gear. It helps you fit more into carry-ons and suitcases, and that alone can reduce stress at airports and on the road. If your travel is infrequent, mostly short trips, or if you prefer tech-driven luggage solutions that sync with apps and power banks, you might find more value elsewhere. There are travel kits that offer compartmentalized tech charging, RFID blocking, and luggage tracking, features that the Ekster kit simply doesn't provide. In the end, the Ekster Travelpack Vacuum Kit is not a scam. It's a legitimate travel accessory that performs as advertised with some limitations. It's stylish, well-made, and effective for many use cases. But it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. If this review helped you decide whether the Ekster Travelpack Vacuum Kit is worth your travel gear list in 2026, leave a like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. And tell me in the comments what's your must-have travel accessory. Stay curious, travel smart, and I'll see you in the next one.